Hello guys, how are you? Today we are going to set up the very beautiful tools to monitoring Elasticsearch, being Kibana. Kibana is the elegant monitoring tools that let us check our Elastic nodes and even query on Elastic. Now, without further ado, let's install Kibana. First, we go on this URL. Now, as you can see, there are tons of ways to install Kibana, as there were for Elasticsearch. We are just picking one of them, which means you can do it another way if you want to. I already have it and I already downloaded for Mac, so after downloading it, the process is pretty much the same as it was with Elastic. You have to extract files with this command on Mac or Linux. I typed tar-xvf and the name of the file we have just downloaded. Okay, we're gonna wait some time for this. It's gonna take a little while, but not too much time, I guess. So it's done. If you're on Windows, the process is pretty much the same. You have to extract files out of tar.gz. After this, there is just one step left, that is integrating Elasticsearch with Kibana. For that, we need to edit kibana.yml, which is in our config directory. So I type sudo nano just to edit the file. Uh, Sorry, we have to go to the Kibana folder, and then I type sudo nano config and kibana.yml. I type out my password. In here, you don't need to know all about these lines, but just uncomment this line, elasticsearch.hosts. And by uncommenting, I mean delete the sharp sign. And just like that, we integrated our Kibana with this URL, which is our Elasticsearch URL. And I save it. After this, it's just a matter of running one command to start Kibana. I type bin and Kibana. I hit enter, and if it all goes right, we're gonna have Kibana on our system. We're gonna wait some time. Alright. Okay, I think we have to actually say, I'm gonna stop it. I think we have to change the address to from localhost to 127.0.0.1, then save it and then run Kibana again, just to make sure that everything is all right. So I'll wait for that too. I think we got it this time. So we're gonna try to run Kibana right now. I'll type out this URL. Kibana is not ready yet. So why is that? Our Kibana is working perfectly, but in order to Kibana to run perfectly, we have to run our Elasticsearch first. So for that, I'm going to go to the Elasticsearch and run Elastic first, because Kibana is running on top of the Elasticsearch, and we have to run Elastic before we run Kibana. So I try it again. This time it'll work, I assure you. All right, let's hit that again. Here we go. Wow, beautiful. We did it. Now just for fun, let's create a new index to make sure that Kibana is working fine. I go to DevTools and I'm gonna say just put sample index. How about that? Yes. And now we can go to dashboard actually and index management. Here you go. We have new index which we have just created. So try to explore some of Kibana's fascinating features for a minute or two, but don't worry, we're gonna definitely come back to this one. Till then, take care.